Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Outback versus Ford Explorer. We'll dive into their core strengths, helping you understand the key differences between these two popular SUVs. We'll cover everything from engine options and off-road capability to interior comfort and advanced safety features. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which SUV is the better choice for your lifestyle. The Subaru Outback comes standard with all-wheel drive, making it excellent for various terrains and weather conditions. It also boasts impressive fuel efficiency for its class. The Ford Explorer, however, offers more robust engine choices, including a powerful V6, providing greater horsepower and significantly higher towing capacity, often exceeding 5,000 pounds. Your choice depends on your adventure level and hauling requirements. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're heading to work or on a road trip. You can find the link for these, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Outback provides a comfortable, well-appointed cabin with intuitive infotainment and Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology. The Explorer shines with its available 3 rows of seating, accommodating more passengers and offering substantial cargo space, often over 80 cubic feet with seats folded. Both SUVs prioritize safety, earning top ratings and integrating comprehensive driver assistance systems for peace of mind on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.